A lot of times, the key to feeling better is eating better, from healthier snacks to supplements and coffee creamers. Today, Dr. Nicole Avina, nutrition expert and author of What to Eat When You Want to Get Pregnant, is providing some ideas. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Well, cleaning up your diet is not always easy, so are there any websites or apps that can help you get started?
Yeah, absolutely. So tech has been wonderful for this. And right now at the touch of our fingertips, we can get information about how we can clean up our diet. One thing that I'm loving right now is this new site called Sifter. If you go to sifter.shop, this is a free personalized grocery shopping site. And you can put in different diet criteria, like if you're trying to avoid preservatives or maybe you have a food allergy, and it will literally sift out only the products that you can consume. And it's great because not only does it help you identify which products are good for your diet, but it also links right to your shopping cart on Amazon and Walmart and others too.
Wow, that is so helpful. And snacking can be difficult at times. So what snacks do you recommend that are great to have on hand when you are trying to clean up your diet? And I see you have a table full of products.
Absolutely. So the simpler, the better when it comes to snacks. You want to really try to stick to the basics. Things like fruits and nuts and vegetables are really great healthy snack options. One that I love is crispy fruit snacks by Crispy Green. These are great because they're literally 100% freeze-dried fruit, and they have no added sugar. They come in 8 different flavors, and they have these individual packs that are great for when you're on the go. And you can get these at Whole Foods. You can get them at Safeway. You can also get them at Bosch's.
Now, what about supplements? Are there certain things people should be on the lookout for when trying to select one?
Absolutely. You want to make sure that the supplement you're taking, whether it's a vitamin or something else, is really clean and pure. I really like Frunata. They make a line of vitamins and other supplements that are great because they are pure. They are sublingual, meaning they're teeny tiny and they dissolve right under your tongue, but they don't contain fillers or additives or added sugars. And they're really just great. And you can ensure that you're getting just the vitamins that you need.
And what about protein drinks and powders? Are they all the same? Because there are so many options.
There are a lot of options when it comes to protein powders and shakes. You're so right. And I really like Orgain because they are a company that was actually founded by a doctor who is also a childhood cancer survivor. And they're all about clean nutrition. They contain organic superfoods. They're about using real food to make a difference. And so these products have highly hand-selected quality ingredients. And they come in powder form, and they also come in some shakes. And you can get these at retailers across the country like Costco and also Amazon.
And for all the coffee fans out there, coffee creamer sometimes has a huge list of ingredients, sometimes not healthy. What's an option for a coffee creamer that's healthier?
Well, I really love Picnic. They have a line of creamers that are great because they contain better for you ingredients like MCT oil, healthy fats. They also contain grass-fed protein that's going to help with your energy and also your focus. And I love that they are unsweetened. They have a new one that they're launching now. This is their vanilla oat milk adaptogen creamer. And it's great because it contains adaptogens, amino acids, MCT oil, collagen, and just a little bit of vanilla. And you can find these at Sprouts Farmers Market and also on Amazon.
And finally, tell us about your latest book, What to Eat When You Want to Get Pregnant, and where you can get it.
Yeah, so my new book, What to Eat When You Want to Get Pregnant, is in stores and online now, wherever books are sold. And it's a really great resource for people who are thinking about maybe having a baby and want to work on cleaning up their diet and getting things in check before time for baby.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining and for the inspiration. And for more information, visit drnicoleavina.com.